Good day. I am Cosmo, Legal Tech Specialist at GLG. Today we will be discussing the details of the quarterly reporting on the DPRO, which stands for Data Protection Reporting Officer. For this reporting we shall use the Combined Quarterly Reporting Model or the CQR. I am assuming that you have already followed the presentation on the Money Laundering Reporting Officer. If you have not yet followed the presentation, you should do so first, as the model is explained in more detail. That presentation can be found on iGamingdatabase.com/MLRO. To view the CQR model, simply scan the QR to my left-hand side. You can also go to the download section of iGamingdatabase.com/DPRO. To open a live chat with GLG, simply scan the QR to my right, or go to gaminglegal.com/contact. You might also want to subscribe to our YouTube channel at iGamingdatabase.com. This will be a relatively short presentation as we shall only be focusing on the reporting. Details on technical requirements will be discussed in other tech presentations. We will therefore directly skip to page 4 of the CQR. Okay. We are ready to proceed. Shall we crack on? Okay. As I did already mention, we are turning directly to page 4 of the SQR model. We only have to complete one page. Under A1, please declare if the IP operator has complied in full with GDPR regulations. Please note that the IP operator always has to comply with these regulations, as it cannot be ruled out that any end user should be qualified as a resident. The person that is preparing the report must be sufficiently schooled in GDPR rules and regulations. Please note that the DPRO will approve the report. However, someone in the direct circle of customer services should be preparing the report for approval. All of this would not be a topic that can be explained in a short presentation. So, those involved should be qualified. Under A2, if any breach did transpire, a full explanation of this, including supporting enclosures, must be added to the report. Under A3, please declare if there have been any changes in the use of software and hardware. Elaborate under A4 if necessary. Under A5 please declare if the software and hardware that is being used by the IP operator has been sufficiently certified. Additional information about certification of software can be found under Chapter A2, under iGamingdatabase.com/tech. Information on certification of the supplier may be found under C7 of the AML chapter. Under /AML. Under A6, declare if there are sufficient disaster recoveries in place. For more information on recovery, please find Chapter A5, under /tech. Under A7, and if necessary under A8, please provide information on any disputes between the IP operator and suppliers. Trademark infringements, for example. Please note that this would not entail end-user disputes. That specific topic will be handled under the Responsible Gaming Report. All boxes under A9 should be ticked, as these information categories should be available on all operated websites at all times. More information on this can be found under Chapter A3 of the AML chapter. Turning to aliases, under A10, please list the number of aliases as described in AML Chapter A4. Under 11, please provide the number of activated aliases of this quarter. Questions at 12 and A13 deal with matters of cryptocurrency. If the IP operator accepts cryptocurrency, specific Know Your Customer rules and regulations need to apply. We will be devoting a specific presentation to this. Under A14, please provide any remarks that you deem important. This concludes this presentation on the data protection reporting. Did you find this presentation useful? Then why not subscribe to our channel? As a next presentation, I would like to recommend the one on responsible gaming reporting. Find it at iGamingdatabase.com/RGRO. Thanks. See you around.